Today, in this session, we shall examine body temperature and what is normal body temperature. In this image, you find 5 images showing human muscular system, human skeletal system, human nervous system, human digestive system, and human circulatory system. We call human body as an amazing machine because human body takes care of so many functions at the same time. At any given time, there will be hundreds of interactions going on inside the body. And one of the most important reaction that we consider today is how human body temperature is maintained. We will not go into the details of the maintenance, but we shall understand the concept of what is normal temperature. Normal temperature of the human body is controlled by brain, especially a part called hypothalamus. Hypothalamus controls the body temperature by regulating and maintaining it with the help of other organ systems, and such a coordination of the internal activities of a system is called homeostasis. Look at this image. There are 3 people who have been screened for temperature. One shows 36.6 Celsius, other shows 36.7 Celsius, one 36.8 Celsius. Now, if you look at these people, all the 3 are considered to be normal, having normal body temperature. Therefore, 36.7 to 37.7 Celsius is considered normal temperature. If you look at the other scale of the Fahrenheit scale, 97.7 to 99.5 is considered to be normal temperature. So normal temperature may vary in 1 or 2 degrees in any individual. Uh, on this globe, we have billions of people of either male or female and of different ages, maybe infant, maybe old persons, or maybe adults, sick people, healthy people. Like so many people are there. Similarly, body conditions, somebody may be weak body, somebody may have a strong body, somebody may have very hefty body, somebody may be very lean. But in all the people in the earth, you screen them, you find the body temperature will be between 36.7 to 37.5 in the Celsius scale and 97.7 to 99.5 in Fahrenheit scale, but this reading may vary slightly according to the doctors and the local conditions. However, any temperature below 35 Celsius and above 42 Celsius and below 95 Fahrenheit and above 100.9 Fahrenheit considered to be abnormal, and that indicates the body is not having any homeostasis on the temperature control. That requires immediate medical attention. Now let us look at 2 images here. One image is in the cold season, second is in the warm season. In the cold season, the body temperature may vary between 27 to 37 degrees. Whatever you see in the cold season, the feet and the hand show low temperature, and like that, if you come to the central part called the core, it shows 37 degrees, that is normal temperature. In the summer, you find most of the body will be having 37 degrees temperature, and some may have 33 degrees temperature, and not more than 33 degrees, not less than that. In this image, we have shown on the x-axis body temperature and on the y-axis the uh, periods of 6 hours difference between each period. If you look at it, during the daytime, body temperature may be 38 C, As the night comes, it may come down to 36°C. As the day again starts up, it may shoot up to 38, and this kind of repeated cycle happens, and this is called circadian cycle. This happens in every individual in any country, in any place of any sex, and therefore the body temperature should be considered as normal on these temperatures. It is generally and medically accepted that normal body temperature ranges between 36.5 C to 37.5 C. Similarly, 97.7 Fahrenheit to 99.5 Fahrenheit. Any increase in the temperature, even by 1 degree, will be considered as a fever. As a fever. Body temperature may change every now and then. Body temperatures may be abnormal due to high fever or what's called hypothermia, or low fever as called hypothermia and hyperthermia. In hyperthermia, body temperature may go above 42 degrees. In hypothermia, it comes below 35 degrees Celsius. These two conditions are very dangerous conditions, and it may be fatal also. A temperature over 38 degrees or 100.4 degrees considered to be a condition where fever is just on the onset. If you look at these images, it shows in a human body various conditions, internal conditions: anxiety condition, love and affection, depression, contempt, pride, and shameful. Two extremes are shown. In the anxiety, you know very well, our heartbeat goes up, therefore the temperature may be slightly high in certain parts of the body. And in the love and compassion and affection, every part will be activated, and therefore temperature may be evenly distributed to all the parts. And in the depression condition, since the activities will be little low, temperature may be reduced between 27 to 30 degrees. Similarly, when we are completely content and happy, temperatures may slightly vary compared to normal temperature. When you are happy and proud, or when you are shameful, body temperature also changes. So therefore, the body temperature in a day, in a person, may show some minor variations. What is fever? Is fever good or bad? According to medical advice, a fever is indicated when body temperature rises about 1 degree above the normal temperature. 37.5 degrees Celsius or 99.5 degrees Celsius seems to be the normal temperature. Anything above that will be considered as fever. Thermometer is an instrument used for measuring the temperature of the body. Earlier days, they used to have a glass thermometer filled with mercury. It's called clinical thermometer. That is described in our textbooks. Nowadays, they use thermal scanner, which gives you accurate temperature. In this pandemic of COVID-19, you see these thermal scanners everywhere. Bus stand, railway station, aeroplanes, shops, clinics, everywhere you find such temperature measuring instruments, because even 1 degree increase in temperature in this pandemic gives a lot of anxiety and fear in the people. Is fever good or bad? Doctors say fever is an indication of infection. Infection due to virus, bacteria, or any other foreign body, and medical attention may be required if it goes above the normal range. Fever indicates imbalance in the chemical activities of the body, or what we call internal activities in the body will be imbalanced. That means there will be no homeostasis in the temperature control condition. If you want to explore more about the human body temperature, it's better you find out how heat is generated in the body, find out answers to the way heat is circulated in the body, explain why we use different clothing during winter and summer, and find out which activities would help in raising the body temperature or which activities would help us to lower the body temperature, and why elderly people in the earlier days used to keep their palm on our forehead, what was the reason for it. All these things you can Google and find out the answers. Now, I would like to acknowledge to the people who have helped me, authors of the Creative Commons Images and WHO, and Loom, who helps us to record these things. Thanks to them, grateful to them. Thanks to Bing because it helped us to record all these things. Thank you very much.